how to create a WhatsApp channel. Hello and welcome to Skill Hub. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the complete process of creating your very own WhatsApp channel. Whether you want to share updates, news, or just stay connected with your followers, this video will cover everything you need to know step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. WhatsApp Channels is a new feature, so it's only available on the updated version of the app. If you open WhatsApp and see a prompt asking you to update, follow these steps. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, click on it to download the latest version. For iPhone users, open the App Store. Search for WhatsApp, and if there's an update option, tap on it. If you don't see an update option, that means you're already using the latest version and you're good to go. Now that you've updated WhatsApp, open the app. You'll notice a new tab at the bottom of the screen called Updates. This is where the channels feature lives. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see popular channels and even join new ones. But today we're going to focus on creating your own channel. Let's move on to the next step. To create your channel. Open WhatsApp and go to the Updates tab. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots menu icon. Tap on them. Select the option Create Channel. Now, it's time to personalize your channel. Channel name. Choose a name for your channel. Make it catchy and relevant to what you plan to share. Channel description. Write a brief description explaining what your channel is about. And this will help people understand the kind of content they'll get by following your channel. Profile picture. You can also add a profile picture to give your channel a unique identity. Once you've filled in these details, your channel is officially created. Next, let's talk about the privacy settings for your channel. If you want your channel to be visible to everyone and allow anyone to follow it, you can keep it public. Because if you want only selected people to see and follow your channel, you can set it to private. So you can also control who can post content in your channel. By default, only the channel admin can post, but you can allow other trusted members to contribute if you like. These settings will help you manage your channel more effectively. Now that your channel is ready, it's time to start sharing content. You can post text updates, images, videos, or even links to engage your followers. One important thing to note is that when you post something, your followers won't receive a regular notification like they do in chats. Instead, they will only see your posts when they open your channel, so no unnecessary notifications will pop up on their phone. This way, your channel remains non-intrusive and followers can check out your updates when they want to. And that's it. You've now successfully created a WhatsApp channel. It's a great way to share content with your community without bombarding them with constant notifications. And if you have any questions or need further help, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Skill Hub for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.